how to get music on Spotify playlists. Now, pretty much what you're telling me over here is that you have a certain playlist, and while you're listening to some of the songs from a random playlist, you want to add the song from that playlist to another playlist so that you can listen to them on your choice, right? So let's take, for example, this particular song right here, and have got a couple of songs right here. So I'll begin playing them right like this. So let's say I like this particular song by Taylor Swift and I want to add it to one of my playlists. It is very simple to do that. Right, whenever you're in the song page, you can tap the three dots option, select add to playlist, and select the playlist that you have created. And once done, you can just tap the done button to add the song to your playlist. Yes, it's as simple as that. Now you can also add some songs randomly whenever you're listening to this particular playlist, and you can see some of the recommended songs. You can tap the plus icon right next to it to add the songs to your playlist. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.